Okay, we're now in the AWS setup. We've set up the account and we're in the EC2. So now we're going to launch an instance. So all we do is come to this button here and we launch an instance. Wait for it to set up. Okay, so we need to give it a name. It's going to call it OpenClaw. Oh, we need it to be on Ubuntu. And we'll just leave that on there. Leave it 64-bit. So we've got the free tiers here. We want the 2 CPUs and we want the 8 gig one, which I believe is this one here, the M7i Flex with 8 gig, and you can see it's free tier. So we'll have that one. And just leave everything as it is. Don't do anything else, and then just launch the instance. Okay, so what I want to do now, we'll come to this page, is create a key pair. Give it a name. Test. Oops. We'll put testbot. So we don't have to do anything else. It's going to say launch instance. Let's give us a download. Open it in folder. It'll be alright there. Okay, the instance is successfully launched, as you can see there. So all we need to do is click the ID now. That will launch us into our manager and our instance. And there we go, there she is. Okay, now you can see it's running. So what we need to do now is connect it, and we've got the connect up here. So we just connect, and then we connect again, and that will take us to the terminal. You can just take these down and store them somewhere for further use, always a good idea. I'm just going to do that now off screen. Okay, it's instance up and running now. We just have to wait for the connection, and now we've got the connection. So what we need now is the code from OpenClaw to put down here and start to run the project. So I've got the curl here that you need. It's the Linux edition of the curl. So you got the curl there, just copy and paste that and put that into your instance. Right click, enter, and away we go. Let that do its thing. I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, we're at the onboarding page now. It's all loaded up. Let's have a quick look at the code. Nice, I like it, it's here. So it all looks like it's installed correctly. Patch warning missing, npm global bin diary. Don't know what that means. So we'll get on with that. Takes us to the quick start menu, so we'll just say yes to that. Okay, now it's taken to us what models we can do. So we can just use up and down, and it will go up and down. Give me 2 seconds. We'll go up and down to what model we want. I'm not sure which model I want. I've got an OpenRouter API, so I think we'll use OpenRouter just to get it up and running, and then we might connect it later to OpenAI or something like that. So we'll click enter, OpenRouter API, enter OpenRouter API. Okay, I'll just do that off screen. Okay, I've entered my key. So now we've got quite a few to choose from. So I'm not sure which one I really want. Let me just have a quick look into this and we'll see. I don't want to use Opus, that's too expensive. What about Kimi? Let's have a look, see if we've got Kimi K2. So we'll go down all these till we find the one we need. What does Kimi K2 come under? Yeah, it's going by itself, is this? Okay, found it. So we've got the Moonshot AI, Kimi K2. I've heard that's reasonable and cheap, and I can always change it when we get into the actual program. So we'll just click enter there. Okay, it's asking which one you want to do it from. I'm going to do it through Telegram. Okay, I've entered my bot ID in there. So all you have to do for your bot ID, I'm not showing it on screen because I want to keep it. You go to Telegram, go to BotFather /, and it'll say create a new bot. Create a new bot, give it a name. It will either say name's taken or it's a good name, and then you put the name underscore with bot at the end, and hopefully that's good. And once that's good, it will give you a key. It's quite easy. There's many videos on how to get it Telegram bot. So, and that's what you do with that. All good and ready. So next one, we're going to configure skills now. Recommended, so we'll do that. Okay, we've done that. Now it says show homebrew installs. We definitely want to do that. And it's asking us npm or p, npm or bun. Well, I don't know any of them, and from the videos I've seen it just says npm, so we'll do npm. So we're on this page now. I'm just going to put skip for now because I'm going to install it all through the console. It's a little bit easier and you've got a bit more control, just for the quick demo. So we'll just skip for now. So I'm going to click no. So we're clicking no on them all. So we've clicked on them all so far. No. And for this one, I think we have to enable all the hooks on this. I'm going to click yes for all these, but you don't have to. You can just skip if you want. But I'm going to click yes. Okay, it's installed those things now. So we've got quick start. It's got the heartbeat every 30 minutes. Session start main, Ubuntu Cloud agent, and all that good stuff. Build, so it's got npm, unibuild, yeah. Options, it's got all our options there. So now we're down to how do you want to hatch your bot? Well, we need to use the hatch in the recommended console, so we'll do that. And now it's doing the wake up. So wake up, my friend. Hey Stretchers, good to see you. Let me get. So it's doing its stuff. As soon as that's set up, we'll continue. Okay, we're all opened up. Looks like it's all running now. What would you want to call me and all that good stuff? So it's all there. So to set this up on the Kimi, I'm just going to check the API. So I've done it for today, 1 hour ago. She was 22 tokens just on opening the window. 2 requests, and it's basically cost 1 penny in UK terms. So that's not too bad. So you can see it's fairly reasonable, but obviously we want to try and get a free tier, so we might integrate Claude, integrate ChatGPT up the new codex, and we'll have a play with that. So I just want to show you that. So now we're up and running, and we need to have a little chat with it, I suppose. Okay, it's done a little onboarding, give it a name, give it a quick discussion. I'm quite surprised she actually knows where I am. She must be using my IP address. Just general chit chat. So what we're going to do now is we're going to basically set up our Telegram. So what I'm asking now is, can we set up Telegram? You have my token from initial setup. I've got some spelling errors, but I think she'll know what I mean. And away she is running that. Let me check it's already configured then. Good news, Telegram already is configured with your bot token. It's enabled and ready to use. Here's what you need to do. So the good thing is it just tells you what to do. So basically it's saying open your Telegram, search for your bot, your username that you set up with BotFather, or if you have an invite link, use that. Send a message to start the conversation. Once the message is there, we'll be able to reply through Telegram. It's basically going to send you a pairing code. You need to send that pairing code. So I'm going to go to BotFather, get the pairing code, and I shall be back. Okay, I've got that set up now. I'll just move that off screen so you can't see it. What actually happened was I had a little bit of difficulty when I initially opened it up. I forgot to give the user ID, so just to be safe, when you set it up, the bot will give you your user ID and a passcode key. Send them both to your bot, and then you've got no dramas that I just had. So let's move on forward, and now I want to get into the dashboard.